President Mnangagwa's advisor, Kudakwashe Tagwirei, is under investigations, but he is not worried by the findings that he has been using fake invoices to defraud Zimbabwe's reserve bank and buy mines. Welcome back to your channel. Mbuya maibenji vauya nenyaya dzenyu dzinonaka, dzinotapira nedzinosuwisa mastori manyama. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Tagwirei is under investigations for moving money to Britain, then using it to buy mines, using front yeMauritania and a South African company. Vanoti ivo pavakabvunzwa, you know I don't comment on such distractions. Pari zvino vari pama-sanctions e-USA, ma-personal sanctions for materially assisting senior Zimbabwean government officials involved in public corruption. Vari kupomerwa mhosva yekuwana ma-contracts based on relationship yavo with those in power. The investigations reveal how Tagwirei acquired a mine for $29.5 from the bankrupt ASA Resource Group, managed by British company Phelps and Duff. Vari kunzi ivo vakatora mari kureserve bank inokwana iyo kuita 60 million vakaidzosa yave ma-RTGS uye yaluza value. Please leave your comments down below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.